Hey tech crew! Google's firing back at claims its AI overviews are slashing website traffic, insisting they're boosting the search game. Is the open web at risk? Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for cutting-edge tech news. Let's unpack this Google drama. Google's tackling heat over AI overviews, with critics saying these AI summaries are killing website clicks. A Bright Edge study claims a 30% drop in top result click-throughs, but Google says traffic's holding steady. Who's right? Keep watching. AI Overviews delivers quick AI-generated summaries atop Google search, but some, like Cloudflare CEO Matthew Prince, warn they could kill the internet by keeping users from visiting original sites. Bright Edge's study suggests a 30% click-through rate drop for top results since the feature launched, sparking fears for content creators. Google's head of search, Liz Reed, pushes back, saying organic click volume is relatively stable year over year. They argue AI overviews enhance searches with richer answers and more visible links, driving deeper queries. Google dismisses studies like Bright Edge as outdated or limited, claiming publishers are not losing out. This clash could reshape the web. If AI overviews cut traffic, publishers might block AI bots or demand payment for content use, threatening the open internet. But if Google's correct, better searches could benefit all. Is AI overviews a win for users or a blow to websites? Google's standing firm on AI overviews, but publishers are watching closely. Will this feature redefine search or spark a content creator revolt? Are you loving AI summaries or worried about the web? Drop it below. That's the latest on Google's AI overviews traffic fight. Do you think it's a search upgrade or a publisher's nightmare? Share your take in the comments. We read everyone. If this news fired you up, hit that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and tap the bell for more tech scoops.